Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today, come with me as we make a table runner made from all Dollar Tree materials. I just want to say thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed to me. I truly appreciate you all and all the wonderful comments. They mean so dear to me. Thank you so much. I started this channel in hopes to inspire you and motivate you with all my decorations and DIYs, how-tos, and even shop with me. Thank you so much for all the support and love that you guys keep giving me. You're the one who keeps inspiring me to continue to do this. I really enjoyed making this table runner and I'm super happy with the way it turned out. It only cost me $18 to make this table runner, and you know what's great about it? You can always change it up. You can make it smaller or bigger, and it's not permanent, so you can always change the way that you want the patterns to be. I hope this video also inspires you to make your own table runner.
House music. House music.
And we're all done, guys. I love how it turned out. I love how inexpensive and super easy it was for us to do this together. I hope this inspires you to create your own table runner. And if you do, I would love to see it. Don't forget to tag me. Now let's style it up. If you guys could remember, this flower arrangement was a DIY project I did on another video.
House music.
And these beautiful candle holders are from Home Goods that I bought several years ago. These crystal gems I've had for many years, and I just love putting them on top of the candle holders. It gives that extra glam that I love. And these other candle holders are from Ross that I've also bought several years ago.
House music.
Again, I'm so happy with the way this turned out. This is so much glam. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I hope you do, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you do so and share with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Bye!
House music. House music.